Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics with Teacher Abbas. We'll be looking at discounts. So in this lesson, we'll be talking about discounts, still on financial mathematics. And we started with the introduction in the last class where we defined what discount is. And we also talked about the formulas and the terms in discount and then the formulas we use to solve questions involving discount. So just a recap, remember discount is the money is the amount of money taken out from the original amount. The amount of money taken out from the original price of an item. All right. So let's see. And then the formulas. Please, if you didn't get the formulas and the definition, please do well to check the last class. Then you see the definition and then the terms and also the formulas we'll be using to solve problems under discount. Okay, so let's see number one. The marked price of a shoe is 10,500 naira. Okay, so if a customer bought it for 8,750 naira, calculate the discount given. Alright, so the marked price, which is the original price, okay, or the market price. So the marked price is equal to 10,500 naira. So if a customer bought it for this, that means the cash price or the new price. So the cash price is equal to 8,750 naira. 8,750 naira. So we have to calculate the discount given, right? So the discount is equal to what we are asked to find. So let's take down our formula for discount. Discount discount is equal to the marked price, which is the original price. Remember, discount has to do with a decrease. So the original is always bigger than the new price. So marked price minus the cash price. So that's simple. That will give us 10,500 minus 8,750. All right, so let's see what would that give us. 10,500 minus 8,750. All right, so if we calculate that, that will give us 1,750 naira. 1,750 naira. So that becomes our discount, and we have to find just the discount, nothing else. All right, so let's move to number two. All right, so the price of a shirt was reduced from 15,000 naira to 12,000 naira. Alright, calculate the percentage discount. Was reduced from 15,000 to 12,000 naira. Alright, so this is the original, which is 15,000, and then the new price is reduced from this to this. That 12,000 naira is not the discount, is the new price reduced from this 15,000 naira to 12,000 naira. So what that will give us is that our original price is equal to 15,000 naira, and then the cash price will be equal to what? That will be equal to 12,000 naira. So we have to find the percentage discount, which means we need to get our discount first. So our discount will be the original minus, okay, the cash price. So which is 15,000 minus 12,000, which is equal to 3,000 naira. But we are not to stop at the at the discount. We are to find the discount, percentage discount, which will be 3,000 all over the original. Take note, we use the original, which is 15,000 times 100%. All right, so this will give us 0 0 and then 0 0. then 0 year, 0 year, 15 year, 1, 15 into 30 is 2, and this is 0. So our this percentage discount will be 20%. All right. So we have to find percentage discount there. We need to get the discount first before we move over to the percentage discount. Okay. Number three, solution. What do we have? The original price of a television is 100,000 naira. If a discount of 15,000 naira has been given, so we are given the discount there, which means we are not to find discount. So the original price is 100,000 naira, and then we have been given discount. We have been given discount, which is equal to 15,000 naira. So you have to calculate the percentage discount. That means we are just to change the discount to percentage. So our percentage discount will be the discount, which is 15,000, all over the original, which is 100,000, then times 100%. Because we calculate this is so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So our percentage discount will be 15%. Percentage discount will be 15%. Okay. So that will be all for this class. We've not touched all the questions. The next class will complete the other part of the questions, and then so. But for now, with what we've done, you go to the activity. So from number 1 to number 6, carefully go through the questions one after the other. If you have any complaint, any challenge, you can drop it in the comment section. So please carefully go through that. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining. And then do well to like, subscribe if you've not done that. And then I'll see you in the next class. Thank you for joining.